Hi, we need your help. Huge amount of apples are rotting. No one there to harvest them. Let's ensure that no one is jobless. We need any help we can get. Let's ensure that nobody has to die of to sleep hungry. Huge amount of apple fallen down because we have no resources to harvest them. Anyone will do, whether it's class 10 pass, managers, engineers, automation engineers, HR, electrical, electronics, anybody can help us. You will be working in your area. So it's not like that. If you're automation engineer, you will help us build pots which will help us harvest these apples which are rotting. Help feed the world. Help us save humanity. We have thousands and thousands and thousands of trees across globe. We need people in India and UK, both places. We have to plant billions and billions of plants, trees. So we need as many help as we can get. As you can see, massive amount of apple. Tree gives huge amount of fruits. This is like just a tiny tree apple. And you can see the amount of, yes, some consumer do come and pick it up, but massive amount of fruits is just going waste. Help us save food, help us feed the population. Let's ensure that nobody has to sleep hungry. Let's ensure that nobody is jobless. Don't forget to share till everybody has a job. It's not only apple, like take example raspberry. It's just falling and falling and falling. It's getting rotting on tree. Can you see? Can you see how much raspberry is produced and how much it is destroyed? And it's like not only apple or raspberry, like we have hundreds of fruits, tree, vegetables which we need help in harvesting. The crops are rotting in the field because of lack of resources. You can help us save the world. You can help us finish global warming. See amount of blackberry. This is blackberry. Like how much blackberry we lost. And each stem produces so many blackberries. We need help. This can help us reduce pollution. It can help you live younger and healthy. It can help you avoid diseases. Please help us get resources as much as you can. You can even sponsor tree plantation, like this. Take this pear. We need even help to harvest pears. It produces, like, it cost £1, 100 rupees, and it gives you massive amount of benefit, a massive return. Like if you're giving money to charity, it's going waste. Like people like Craig, who works in cancer, takes a salary of 5.7 million, and whereas for a fraction that amount of time we can probably say prevent millions of cancer. And it's just not one person, right? If you're giving money to charities, all the money is taken away as salary. Like Robert takes 3.8, he works in Hope, whereas we can hire so many people. Craig works for children charity, he takes 2.7 million pound, and we are talking in pounds here or dollars. Nancy Hart takes 2.5 million. It's a massive amount of money getting wasted. So help us. We are hiring people, and we do pay a hell lot of money. So like not only that, we also need like help harvesting grapes. Even our grapes are getting rotten. Like we need help harvesting kale, which is again a superfood, and we pay a hell amount. Like you cannot imagine. We will pay you so much salary that would never have even imagined earning in life. You could have never earned in life. Like in India market, we pay anything between 211 rupees per day to 8,000 rupees per day. You even have a chance to come to UK. In UK, we pay anything between 10 to 100 pound per hour. So we looked into pears, we looked into blackberry, we looked into kale, and even cabbage. There's a whole thing is filled with cabbage, which needs again harvesting. Even these are not wasted. This will dry up, as you can see that, and these can produce thousands of new raspberry plant. Like not only these, you can see the blackberries, the gooseberries. These are very crowded. Like we have only planted one, they have multiplied. Like one raspberry has become like hundreds of raspberries. So these probably need to be like just from this small part. And we have hectares and hectares of land. This from the small part, probably hundreds of raspberry tree will come out. Pepper are spoiling. We need help harvesting that. So let's ensure that nobody remains jobless. Not only that, we have these are hundreds of pepper which is almost dying out and to be ready to be transplanted to pots like these. Hundreds of peppers. Hundreds of celeries are ready to be transplanted. Else this entire crop will go away. Similarly, hundreds of carrots are ready. Doing things right requires a lot of effort. Hundreds of onions, spinach, we have to do quality control. A lot of quality control has to happen. Let's help people get job. Let's ensure that nobody is jobless, and we can help. They can automate this process. They can make a robot which takes this plant, put them in an individual plot, harvest the pepper as and when it's ready as per order. We need a lot of help.